Hello all, welcome to my channel. This is Suryan. This is part 10 methods parameter in C#. In this video we will discuss how many types of parameters available in C#. So we have four types of parameters. One is value parameter, reference parameter, out parameter and parameter array. So let's take a small example and we'll discuss. Switch into Visual Studio. Here I have one small program here. So now we will discuss value parameter. So now I am going to create one method which will accept input parameter public static void. So I will name it adding number by 10. So I'll declare parameter int j. So what I will do, j equal to j plus 10. So here one method I declared, and whatever are passing parameter to that method, by adding 10 I am doing. So what I will do, I will call this method in the main method. So to call that main method, adding by it is expecting input value. So what I will do, I will create one more variable int I equal to 100. So I value I am going to pass here, and after passing I am going to print I value. I value is. So let's go and execute this program. So we will get an output of I value. So here it is printed I value is 10. So basically the value, it is not changed. So how it is working is behind this, what it's happened. So let's go to slides. So here the value parameter, so it won't change in the original value in the memory location. So in this scenario, let's take in I value, it is 100 in the memory location. So let's here I value it equal to 100. It's created in the memory location. So after that, what I'm doing, I'm passing I value to this method. So in this method, it is one more variable, it is created in the memory location. So here the j, so j is created in the memory location. In the j, the value, it is in another location itself, it is not in same location. So here whatever I am passing I value here, so it is taking and here adding some manipulation I am doing, but it is not affecting in the original value. So this is value. So this is called pass by value also. So let's take an example of reference. So for the reference variable, I'm going to declare ref keyword, and here also ref keyword. So what is going to happen while adding this ref keyword? So let's go and execute this program. So here you can see I value is 110, because what it's happened behind this. So let's go to slide. So reference, so it will affect the original value. So when I declare I variable, one memory will create, and same same value by using ref keyboard I am passing to this method, and here I am adding value to 10 in that. So what it's happened if additionally it is added 110 and the same memory location. So it won't create one more location for the j variable. It won't create one more variable in memory location. So this is a pass by reference. So pass by reference, it won't create any memory location. So pass by reference, it won't create another memory location. It will affect original variable value. So this is the difference, pass by value and pass by reference. So we'll discuss about output parameter. So I'm going to delete this method, and here I'm going to declare one more variable, j equal to 200 and int or sum of I and j equal to, by default 0 I'm carrying. I'm going to declare one more method, public static void sum. So here I'm expecting int I comma int j and output of int result. So here what I am doing, I am going to add result equal to I plus j. So in the method what I am doing, I am expecting two parameters input and one output parameters. So here I am calling this method sum of. So here it is expecting input parameter I comma j and output parameter. So here now I am going to print output value. Sum of I and j is, so now go and execute, then it will print the sum of I and j value is 300. Here what has happened behind this, I created two variables and I am storing two numbers in the variables. So and one more variable for result. So after that I am created one method, it will accept the two input parameters and one output parameter. What has happened when you pass the numbers to it, here I am adding addition and setting to output parameter value. So wherever I call this method, it is expecting three parameters need to pass, then the output parameter value will be sum of the I and j. Then I am going to print here sum of I and j. So this is the output parameters. So now we will discuss array parameter. So for that, what I will do, I am going to remove this. I am going to declare one integer array numbers equal to new int of. So we need to specify 5 and I am going to assign values 1 comma 2 comma 5. So 5 values I assigned. So now what I will do, I will pass this to one method and I will print the values. So I am going to write one more method, static void method 1. So in the method I am expecting input array numbers. So here I am going to write number of elements in the input array. So what I will do, I will print number length. Then I am going to use for each loop and I will print the numbers in the console window. So here will be done. So now I will call this method 1 function in the inside the method main method. So while calling it expecting integer array. So this one I will going to print. So now I will go and execute this program. Let's see the output. So here the number of elements input is 5, then it is what printed. So this is parameter array. So now we'll do one more thing. Here I will declare params. So what will going to happen when you go and execute? So there is no output of, there is no change in the output. It will print all the data what was in earlier. So what I will do here, I'm going to remove this passing value here in the method 1, but method 1 is expecting one parameter, but I am not passing any parameter, but I am not getting any error also. Why? Because the params keyword, it is an optional parameter. If you are not using this param keyword, then you will get an error. There is no argument given in the corresponding required formal method. Because if you use params keyword, then it is an optional to pass the values to this method. So suppose if I am going to declare params one more and the input array will be like this. So one method will accept only one parameter. So don't accept. Now I'm going to remove this. Here one more interesting point is if I declare one more variable int I. So now I will pass here. I'm going to declare int I equal to 10 and I value I will pass. Still I am getting error. Why? The param keyword params is an optional parameter and input one parameter I declared, but still I am getting an error. Why? Because the params parameter it should be in last. We have to use in last. So when you declare like this, you can see there is no error here because the params parameter should be in last. It won't accept multiple params parameter. So like this we can use parameter arrays. Go to slides. So pass by value and reference by value is in and output parameter as well as parameter arrays. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.